Hi, welcome to my channel. The Tesla and Porsche Taycan competitor has been spotted on the road for the first time. The long-awaited Lotus Type 133 was tested under extreme conditions before its official introduction later this year. The electric car reaches 5 meters in length and features a dynamic design. The model will be offered in 600 and 900 horsepower versions. The main competitors of the model will be Tesla Model S, Porsche Taycan and Mercedes-Benz EQS. This will be the first four-door Lotus since the Carlton model of the early 90s. Prototypes of the Lotus Type 133 are camouflaged, but we can see the sedan's swift silhouette with a pointed nose and slanted diode headlights. Also on the roof is installed LiDAR, that is, the electric car will get autopilot. The new electric car will get powertrains and a battery from the Lotus Electra crossover. That means there will be 600 and 900 horsepower versions, and the top version will be able to accelerate to 100 km per hour in less than 3 seconds. Cruising range will be more than 500 kilometers. Further details about the Type 133 are kept secret for now. Thank you for watching, and don't miss any new videos.